Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today I got another video for y'all. This time I'll be on a Harley Davidson Street Glide Special 2021 with the 114 V-Twin Milwaukee. So, it was a cool bike. I enjoyed it. I'm more familiar with the feel of a street glide because of the fairing. It's not a fixed fairing. And for those people who don't ride around with a fairing, they know what I mean. But in terms of compared to the road glide, the road glides front end actually feels a little lighter. I guess because it doesn't have that weight on there, but still it's something that I'm more used to because when you turn the handlebars, that fairing moves. So I guess we're all used to that with your eyes moving and all that good stuff. But overall, I must say the bike was pretty comfortable. Had some good power to it. Not as much as the 117, but still it had some good power. Handled pretty good. And it got down the road. To the suspension, as you can see, everybody went over those bumps a little fast, so did I, and handled pretty good. It didn't feel rough, it didn't bottom out. Then again, it shouldn't, it's a new bike. But one thing I would say that I'm not really comfortable with, or something that I just don't feel that's me personally, is the handlebars. I'm used to having my handlebars higher, not so pulled back, so that made the ride a little, I wouldn't say uncomfortable, but not the most comfortable. And that's just something personal. Everybody likes different bars. That's what makes bikes so cool, is that you have all the tools and the parts to make it your own. So if I were to invest in a street glide or even a road glide, one of the first things I would change personally are the handlebars. And then in terms of the price, the bike that I was on, the Vivid bike, price is at $27,099. I'll just call it $27,100. And then the price changed depending on, I guess the color and all that good stuff and what other additional things you have added on and done to it. Also, I think the headlight on there is upgraded from the stock, so that's a plus. But then again, if you get a regular street glide, you can take it upon yourself to get a LED headlight of your choice instead of paying, I don't know what the price difference is with the lights. But all in all, man, I would say I'm fairly impressed with the street glide. The fairing did good. Overall, I think it's a great bike, man, and if you could afford it, go for it. Oh, and always remember, it ain't what you ride, just be down to ride. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
See ya later, sucker.